Hi, I'm Dave Parker, Master Plumber and CEO of ER Plumbing Services. I've worked as a plumber for over 30 years. I started ER Plumbing in 1997, and we've been tackling residential plumbing projects of all sizes ever since. We're best known for our responsive plumbing services. Water heater acting up? We've got you covered. Water bill spiked? We'll find the leak and get you patched up. Drain clogged? You've come to the right place to get it cleared. But we provide more than emergency plumbing services. We also help with preventative plumbing projects, water filtration systems, gas piping, and all aspects of plumbing within your home fixtures or plumbing appliances. We'll help you select the best water heater, faucet, or toilet solution, and troubleshoot and repair issues like clogged drains quickly and effectively. Here's what I think makes us stand out from the competition. We're not an impersonal national franchise, but we are big enough to provide round-the-clock service and ensure our technicians have undergone the training necessary to stay up with the latest plumbing technology. We're local, so we are dedicated to the Charlotte community. We're big enough that you don't have to worry that we may go under like some of the smaller companies that are here today and gone tomorrow. When you hire us, you can rest assured that we'll be here 5 years from now when you might want a follow-up service. Most importantly, we are dedicated to customer satisfaction. We take the time to ask questions, evaluate your needs, and provide options. We work with you to find the best solution that fits your budget and plumbing needs. To schedule service, call ER Plumbing today, 704-846-5371, or you can visit us at erplumbing.com, where you're serviced once, client for life.